Welcome! In front of me I have SUUNTO Race S, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First thing you will need to do is to turn on your watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the upper button. This one right here. Keep holding the button until you see the SUUNTO logo on the screen, and then you can release it and wait until the watch is done booting up. And after the watch boots up, you will need to go to the phone you want to pair your watch with and basically download the SUUNTO application. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the Play Store, tap on search, tap on the search bar and type in SUUNTO. And on the search results, you should see the SUUNTO app right here on the list. Tap on the install button to install it. And after the application is done installing, you can tap on open button and to open it. In the app, you will see this page basically, and on it you can select two options. We have continue with Facebook or continue with email. Basically, it will allow you to log in with the Facebook account if you want to, or with the email. I already have the email account, so I'm gonna tap on continue with email. Here we need to enter the email address. And how it works is, after you enter the email address, depending on if you have the account registered on that address or not, it will allow you to either log in or make a new account. If you have the account registered already to the email address you're trying to use, it will let you log in. And if you don't have an account registered on that email address, it will basically let you to create a new account. I'm gonna tap on continue. I already have an account, so I need to enter the password for it to log in. Okay, I'm gonna tap on login, and after you log in, we can tap on continue, and here we need to allow some permissions. This one is required, they allow nearby devices, if you want to pair devices together. So tap on this, tap on allow. The location permission is not required, so you can tap on skip if you want to skip it, and I'm just gonna allow it for the sake of the video. Then we can tap on OK, and the app should start searching for the nearby devices, and it should detect your SUUNTO Race S. If it doesn't detect your watch, you can try to wake up the screen on it. You could try to press and hold the upper button, keep holding it until the watch reboots. I believe that should work to reboot the watch. Another thing you can do is, if your watch is on the home screen, you can basically access the settings. You can press and hold the middle button, open the connectivity options, and here you can check if the discovery is on. If it's on, it should detect your watch. If it's not, enable it to enable the discovery. Okay. And once it detects your watch, you can tap on pair. Here tap on pair option. Enter the code from the watch. Then tap on pair. As you can see, the devices are connecting now, and now it's syncing. We need to wait until it's done. So let's wait. It might take a while. Oh, never mind. It started popping up with the permissions. So this is the permission to manage the watch. Tap on allow. Next we have the permission for the notifications. This is useful if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. If you don't care, you can deny it. If you want to allow it, tap on allow. Next we have the connectivity permission. This allows the app to run in the background basically on your phone, which makes it easier for the notifications, stuff like that, to be sent to your watch. If you don't care, you can tap on cancel. If you want to allow it to run in the background, tap on continue, then tap on done. Let's see if it's synced. It is synced. It says connected, so the watch should be ready to use basically. Yeah. Okay, and that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.